All right, so I'm going to show you guys the videos that work the best and get the most views for realtors, but probably really any business in general. And I've pretty much used these videos. I would attribute a lot of my success of my multiple six-figure a year real estate business to these videos. So I'm going to tell you why they work, and I'm actually going to show you how you can start shooting these videos. So the videos that I found that work the best by far are green screen videos. They work extremely well on TikTok, and then you can even download them and repost them on Instagram, YouTube Shorts, Facebook Reels, and everywhere else to, 10x your exposure. And what it is it's basically just you're on the screen, but behind you, there's an image or a video of something, and they work really, really well for keeping the viewer engaged, increasing your watch time, because not only are you on the screen talking, but the viewer also has something to look at behind you. And they work best when you're talking about something, but visually they can see what you're talking about. So if I'm talking about a beach or a park or whatever, I can put up an image of that beach or park behind me so the viewer can actually see what it is I'm talking about. And again, it's just a lot more engaging and increases that average view time for you. So some examples of green screen videos are, news articles, green screening a picture of whatever it is you're talking about, as I was just saying, maybe a property or a place, or just generally things like that, or even a video. Actually, something that works really well for me too is green screening other people's posts on Instagram and Twitter, and then adding your commentary to that post. And these videos, just by the nature of them, like I said before, should increase your engagement because there's just more stuff going on the screen. So now I'm actually going to show you guys what I'm talking about. All right, so we're in TikTok here, okay? So I'm going to go as if I'm going to post here, right? And right away in the effects tab in the bottom left here, we can see the green screen effect is already, like, what's the word I'm looking for? It's already being used because I use it so much. But anyways, there's the green screen one if you want to use a photo. This is the video one if you want to put a video behind you. But just for ease of this video, I'm going to show you guys the photo version, and then the video one works just the same, right? So let's just say I want to talk about top 3 parks in Abbotsford, BC, where I live, okay? Now, I should have, before I started shooting this video, actually cropped this photo to make it more horizontal, I should say, or yeah, vertical. So this is a horizontal photo, should have been vertical, but anyways, this is what it's gonna look like, all right? So this is the number 3 park in Abbotsford, BC. It's located blah, 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 right? Then I stop recording, and I'm gonna do the top 2 park, right? This is the second one, all right? This is the second best park in Abbotsford, BC. It's located blah, 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 right? And then obviously this is number 3, okay? So I'm on the screen, you can see the park behind me already, it's more engaging. And then once it's done, right, I'm going to edit it. So, oops, left the volume on. So anyways, what you're going to do, or what I recommend you do, is see these 2 little A's here. There's a capital and lowercase. You're going to hit that. You're going to go top 3 parks in Abbotsford, BC, right? You're going to put that to the top, and what that does is right away, the second this video shows up on the viewer's feed, they know what it's about within the first 0.2 seconds, and if they're interested in that, they'll continue to watch the rest of the video, right? And then you might even do something like this, set duration, where you only have the text on the screen, say, for the first 3 seconds of the video. So it'll look like this now, right? Video starts, top 3 parks, boom, disappears after 3 seconds. And then what I always recommend you do, you're going to add a sound. Now, I have a bunch favorited that I like to use. They're all instrumentals. You'll grow your portfolio of favorited instrumentals that you like to use over time because you get this recommended tab here that kind of shows you, right? And then you'll, from the recommendeds and from other people's videos, you'll collect your own audio. So let's just say I want to use this one. Turn the volume down to about 20% of you talking. That way it's not overpowering you talking and it's easy to listen to. So right off the bat, we have, an engaging video with pictures of you talking about the thing that the picture is of, with the title at the top of the screen and some music. So you've already got multiple facets of keeping the viewer engaged. Then what I recommend you do is you're going to hit this little arrow here. You're going to scroll down. You're going to go to captions. It's going to transcribe the video, and it's going to add some captions to the video, right? What this is going to do is it's going to help TikTok categorize your video and find the right people to show it to. Now, you can put these captions anywhere so they're not in the way, but it just helps the SEO part of TikTok locate your viewer. It helps categorize the video. Now it knows you're talking about Abbotsford because it says Abbotsford in your captions. You say it in the video, and you've got multiple text points of you talking about Abbotsford. It's gonna be very easy for the algorithm to categorize this video, right? So that's basically everything you need to do on the editing side. Now, you're going to go next, right? So here, again, I'm going to type out something like, top 3 parks in, sometimes I'll capitalize the city just so it's more eye-catching, right? Hashtag Abbotsford, hashtag, Vancouver is the bigger metropolitan city around Abbotsford, and Abbotsford is the suburb, so I'll hashtag that. And then hashtag Surrey, another bigger suburb in the area. Then I'm going to add a location, which is going to be Abbotsford, because that's what I'm talking about. Now, the algorithm really knows what I'm talking about here, right? So select cover. Then I'm going to go, again, top 3 parks in Abbotsford. Now, you can pick whatever style you want. There's a bunch of different ones to choose here. I like this yellow one, but I've done other ones in the past. Whatever you like to do, right? And then just to show you guys, right? So I'm going to save this to drafts. I'm not actually going to post it, obviously, but if you go to my page, you'll see like people will come to my page, consume all my content, and I make it easy for them to consume because they can see right away from my profile page what the video is about, right? And just to give you guys an example, I use these green screen videos all the time, right? Here's one at 29,000 views, top 3 fastest growing cities in Canada. I just used a random picture off Google that was eye-catching, and then it kind of went into the article that I was referencing. And here's another one, Canada to raise immigration. This one's at 14,000 views. So they work, look at this one's at 433,000 views. And this was just somebody else's Instagram post that I took a screenshot of and then, used it as a green screen. So get creative with it, but it's a very easy way to basically have unlimited content, because anytime you see something posted anywhere that you feel like you could add your commentary on, take a screenshot of it, green screen, or if it's a video, download the video and then green screen the video, and they work absolutely amazing. So if you guys enjoyed this video, please don't forget to subscribe to the channel, like the video, and we'll see you guys on the next one. Peace.